I'm sure you would have watched the last video of mine about the RBI new credit card rule updates of November. This one is the latest one. So stay tuned till the end and watch the latest updates about all the credit card rules from November 15th onwards. Hello and welcome to Freedom Money English channel. My name is Anupam Anand. So in this video, we are going to talk about the latest, very latest. From 15th November, there are changes in the credit card rules. Please make sure to watch it till the end. Credit card users, brace yourself. The RBI has introduced new guidelines, prompting major changes by banks like ICICI, with increased finance charges, new fee structures, and reduced reward points. These updates might significantly impact your finances. So are these new charges manageable adjustments or heavier burden? Let's walk you through each change to help you make the most informed decisions. Let's move on to ICICI updates, which come into effect from 15th of November. One of the biggest changes here is in the reward points. Previously, users could earn points on utility and insurance payments up to 80,000. However, this limit has been cut down to 40,000 now. This means if you rely on rewards for expenses in these categories, you will be accumulating points at half the rate, effectively reducing your potential rewards by 50% now. Moreover, ICICI is eliminating reward points for government transactions entirely. Payments for things like taxes, municipal fees, or license renewals won't earn any rewards now, reducing the value of proposition for those who frequently use the credit card for these type of transactions or payments. Fuel buyers, take note, ICICI is limiting the fuel surcharge waiver to transactions up to 50,000 now. If you are making large purchases such as for bulk fuel or high frequency fueling, you will lose this waiver, which previously helped users to save a little on every fuel transaction. For example, if you purchase fuel for 60,000, only 50,000 of that transaction will be eligible for a surcharge waiver, leaving you to pay additional fee on the remaining 10,000. This cap can be an added expense, especially for business owners or frequent travelers who regularly spend on significant amounts on fuel. Annual fee reversal threshold. One positive change for ICICI users is a lower threshold for the annual fee reversal. Previously set at 15 lakh, this has been reduced to 10 lakh now. Now, if your total annual spending on the card hits 10 lakh, your annual fee will be waived, offering some relief for high spenders. This threshold reduction might encourage cardholders to keep their spending on ICICI cards, as reaching this mark can save you the fee, which could otherwise range anywhere between 500 to 5,000 depending on the card type. Education-related transaction charges, their direct versus third-party payment impact. ICICI has introduced a new range of education fee payments. If you pay directly to an educational institution like a school or university, there's no additional charge. However, if you make the payment via a third-party app, a 1% fee will be applied. For instance, a 50,000 payment made through a third-party app would incur an extra 500 rupee charge. Now, this distinction encourages users to make direct payments to avoid unnecessary fees. So consider this while you're paying education-related expenses. ICICI is restructuring its late payment fees, which will now vary based on your outstanding balance. Here's a breakdown now. For balances between Rs 101 to 500, the late fee is Rs 100. Between 501 rupee to 1000 rupee, the fee increases to 500 rupee. For 1001 rupee to 5000 rupee, the fee rises to 600 rupee. Balances between Rs 5001 to 10,000, it will incur a 750 rupee fee. From 10,001 rupee to 25,000, the fee will be 900 rupee. 25,001 rupee to 50,000 rupee, it incurs a fee of 1,100 rupee. And finally, balances over 50,000 rupee will have a hefty late fee of 1,300 rupee. These graduated fees means that the higher your outstanding balance, the more you will pay in the late charges. So now this is a crucial reminder to make timely payments to avoid these escalating fees. So to sum up, both SBI and ICICI credit card users are facing new fees and limitations. Whether it is the increased finance charges, new 1% fees on certain utility and education payments, or reduced reward points, on insurance and government transactions. Now, these updates could add your monthly expenses. To avoid these charges, here are a few tips. Plan your expenses to avoid large utility transactions or split them if needed. Use direct payment methods for education fees to sidestep the third-party charge. Aim to clear your balances each month to avoid high finance charges and tired late fees. And if you are an ICICI user, target that 10 lakh annual spending to waive that annual fee. With these strategies, you can navigate the new changes and minimize their impact on your finances. Now, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on personal finance and share this video with friends who are using SBI or ICICI credit cards. Let's tackle the new rules together. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.